Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how you can sell digital products on a Google Merchant Center. Now, first of course you need a Google Merchant Center account. You need to either sign in or sign up to your Google Merchant Center account, okay? And what you basically need to do is come here, right? You will see your, business information and the Merchant Center ID at the top right of your screen. And now on the left side, you'll see a panel as well. This is where we'll be adding all the data about your online store. So what you need to do is just come here, add your business information, the contact details, things like that. The specific business information you need to input, it will vary based on the type of business you're establishing. Okay. But what you basically need to do is come here, like fill in the information, the business address, phone number, customer service contact for shopping ads, things like that. And then what you want to do is come here and add a profile, to create a Google business profile. So go to stores, and then here you can go ahead and create one. Next, you want to go to countries and just, add all the countries where you want to sell your products. Now, this is a digital product. You can sell it to all the countries. So you can just toggle on all the countries. And then you just need to verify, your store's website, okay? And honestly, to do this, you just need to navigate to business info, okay? And then go to details, click on your online store, and then confirm your online store. So you just enter the online store URL right here, and you select one of these verification methods, okay? Now, in our case, we are doing a digital product, so we need to connect the Google Merchant Center to Shopify. We need to integrate these two. So what this will do, it will basically streamline the process of syncing the product, feeds across the two platforms, making it easier to run Google ads, YouTube ads, and things like that, right? So you just go to your Merchant Center account and click on go to the Google and YouTube app in Shopify. And then next, you just link the app to your Shopify account, set it up, and on the Shopify admin, just read the prompt they give you and just click on install. Then you just want to click on connect Google account, and then you'll be automatically taken to the app setup. Finish the setup, and you can easily run ads on, the search results, images, display, YouTube, and then you can directly upload your digital products to Shopify. So we'll be selling these products using Shopify while integrated with our Google Merchant Center. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.